What's up, everybody? Back here again working on Old Blue. And yeah, working on Old Blue here. I changed out door handles to get rid of them ugly chrome ones to go back to black. They match the parts truck cab because on the passenger side my lock was bad because there's a bunch of gravel dust and it just all seized up and there was no chance of getting that lock back together. So my keys are off to my ignition for my doors right now. I'm going to solve that problem by pulling the ignition switch out of my parts truck and just putting this key cylinder in this, and I'll have my action keys again. If you notice, I have a double din radio in here now. Yeah, this is a 2000. I'll go ahead and climb up in here. No Nerf bar life here. Yeah. But yeah, you know, if you guys know 99 and 2000, well 98 to 2002 were a din and a half radio. I did the din and a half conversion for out of the 03. I took all the parts out of it. I needed the radio basket and the bezel. A lot of people just take their door off and use the parts from their 2000 and 99s, their din and a half radio bottoms. I wanted to be a little bit more involved, so I drilled out the rivets. There's 2 rivets under here and a bunch of screws, and she's just kind of snapped in together with snaps. Pulled this out. I lost my cup holders. I'm gonna have to get my newer console with the cup holders down there. I needed this piece here and this whole piece here, and I had to do a lot of modifications. It's not perfect. There's a gap there, but it looks pretty good. It looks pretty nice. I swapped door panels. These are the 03 door panels, and these latches and stuff for the tabbies for this are different. So I've got a bolt here, and it's bolted up underneath in the front there, and it's solid. It's pretty nice. I went ahead and replaced door pins on both sides. There is a slight difference in color, as you can see here, between it. The 03 was a dark pewter, I believe dark pewter. I can't remember what color it is. I think it's dark pewter. It might be wrong there, but I know the interior of this is graphite. So yeah, it's got new, I don't know what that is. I think it's some kind of glue or human remains or something. But yeah, I haven't done much under the hood besides giving the full serve. Pretty much that's it for that. Did the door pins, full service, got my radio in. That's probably not going to be the radio that stays in it for the whole time of the truck, but for right now, that's the radio that's in it. I'll probably get a Pioneer NEX. I'm totally missing the third door, or the fourth door. That's irritating, not having that fourth door. I'm going to go ahead and I got some kicker CSs for the front. They didn't cost me nothing. I got all of these, and I think I got some DSs for the rear, whatever these are over here. These are 6s. They're 4x6s in the rear doors, but I'm hoping I can make this fit. Yeah, it's a DS6. Set that in the seat there and open this. I'm hoping I can enlarge the hole. My grill already fell off of this one anyway. Hoping I can enlarge the hole. Ooh. If I'm not up into the door, it's going to be close. I may have to trim up into where that sets and recess the speaker a little more, but I'll have probably at least 90% of the voice coil visible and be able to get sound out through it. I'm not needing a lot of sound out the rear. We're over here jamming out to Prince anyways. But yeah, I'm not gonna need a lot of sound out of the rear doors. So yeah, poking that nasty old rotten speaker. Actually, it's still in pretty good shape. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get the 6 to fit under the grill and look factory. Same thing over here. Get the CSs. The tweeters are unhooked. I want to get the 6s to fit. I know I'm gonna have to cut the door and the cab over there. I'm gonna have to make them fit. But I think I can get it to fit. Or I might just get bored and find me some Kicker 4x6s. I'm doing Kicker speakers, Kicker subs to 12 inches under the rear seat, and a custom box for an extended cab. I can get it relatively cheap, under $200 for the box and subs, so that ain't horrible. Brand new too, not used. Then I'm gonna do, I got a JL, I think it's either a 500 by 5 or 700. I think it's 700 by 5. That's gonna run my subs and door speakers. There's gonna be some comp 12s. Like I said, this is my winter truck. Unless I put a lot of time into it and fix all the rust, which I got all the stuff too. Which I may do. If I fix all the rust, I'd be more apt to keep her nice, but yeah. I think I'm just gonna drive her. But yeah, I'm gonna try to fix the rust. I'm gonna see if I can get her done. Put a bed line from there down. Like I said, I don't know if I said that in the last videos, but that's what I'm gonna do. I went ahead and fixed my tailgate. I don't know if I said that a little bit ago either, but my latch is in, or my hinges, so it's good. They were rusted out just like the whole tailgate is. Ugh. It's a little loud, but it'll work. Yeah, I'm really happy how the double din kit turned out. Other than losing my cup holders down there, which isn't a big deal. I'll just pull that center console out. I like the other center console better anyways. But yeah, so that's what I've been doing to her. I ordered my wheels, so my wheels will get here sometime. They say Friday, so hopefully they'll get here Friday. But yeah, you know, whatever. Hopefully they'll get here Friday. Then hopefully I can get my tires ordered here before too long. This truck's cost me some money, so I mean, I've got the money to order the tires, but you know, I don't know, it's gonna eat into my emergency fund, and I don't really want to eat into my emergency fund right now, where I've got that built up to the point where I like having it where it is. I don't want to eat into that, so I'm gonna go ahead and just wait till I have the money, so I don't have to eat into that. Unless I blow a tire out, then I might eat into the emergency fund, because that's a good reason to eat into the emergency fund. But I don't want to do that if I don't have to. I like having some cash. So, yeah. I'm going to go ahead and do shocks too. I'll be doing shocks here. I'll do some rough country shocks. I'm going to do there's some other stuff from rough country I was going to do, I think. I'm going to end up doing a cab visor. I really want a cab visor on one of these. I like to do a cowl hood. I'm going to replace both fenders if I do all the rust down here and fix that. Don't know if I want to go back to blue. If I end up getting to the point where I'm just going to paint the whole truck, I will probably go with a burnt orange or something. But most likely, though, it'll stay this color blue. I like this blue. And yeah, so hopefully we'll get the wheels and I can get the tires, so I can go ahead and get the tires mounted and stuff and get them on here. This tire and the passenger front tire and this rear tire is decent. The right-hand tire not so hot. This is how you can tell it's an open differential. She's a little thin in the skin. Yeah. So yeah. She's a little thin in the skin. So yeah, that's the reason I'm putting tires on it. And I like the all-terrains, but I want a little more of a mud tire on this truck. So yeah, that's it. That's how it sets today. So hopefully I can get some more stuff done to it. I've pretty much got all my stuff except for the fuel filter change for my service. I got two extra filters, short and a long filter, two fuel filters, one for the Escalade and one for this. I got the gasket. I haven't yet to pull the throttle body off and clean it. But yeah, I got my aftermarket Y pipe on. Stuff that sounds good. It's loud. It's a little louder than I like, but I think I'm gonna end up putting my tailpipe back on. It's over there. I gotta cut my cats out of that, sell them. But yeah, it sounds good. I'm happy with it. So yeah, we'll probably catch you guys in the next video. Yeah. So don't have too much fun, and get yourself an old GM pickup, because they're always fun to work on. But I love how this door opens and closes now that it's got nice door pins in it. By God, changes the whole look and the whole feel of the truck. May have lots of rust, but by God, the driver's door shuts, right? So this will be a lot nicer too, not having that falling out anymore. Haven't done it to that side. That side's not doesn't like to fall out that much. So, but I'm gonna do pretty much the same thing like I did here. Drill, drill with a nut and a washer, and then a self-tapping. Drill another hole in the side and go into this post that comes off. Put a like a heavy screw in, like a heavy threaded screw. Basically, all I did was take some of my extra 7mm GM bolts, 7-headed GM screws, and pretty much just went up in there. And yeah, the door panels are pretty solid. They do have their old typical GM rattles. But yeah, I'm pretty happy, so yeah. We'll catch you guys in the next video, so have a good one.